will be playing some Fashion Fairies, and I'm gonna be having so much fun. And yeah, I do look like a fairy. I mean, the most favorite part about my dress is like my hair. It's like a princess, because I am a princess slash fairy slash I can fly. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because I have wings. And if I double tap my jump button, I can literally fly. Well, why am I acting like I'm gonna fall? Oh, finally. Now I'm gonna be going this way. Yeah. Look at my fashion book. Oh yeah. Wait, literally it's the middle of the video. I'm just kidding. It's literally, oh my god, Wednesday. Hey. And her name is Latifa. I don't know why. It's a weird name. Okay, but yeah. And yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah. It's not even the middle of the video and I'm thirsty. Orange juice break. That was some good orange juice. Even if I only drank one sip. Well, I still have half a glass left. Well, okay. I bumped into a window. Okay. Alright. Got it. I got it. I bumped into a window, not a tree. Let's see what's in here. Is it for Robux? I played this game before, and I forgot it's not for Robux. Oh my god, look at this literal costume store. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at this, like, I don't know. Oh yeah, a ghost I'm gonna call him Jeff. No, this is not Jeff. I'm gonna call him Bob. Yeah. Bob the ghost. Oh, hey Timothy. Oh my god, you have a Timothy body. Oh my god, you have a Timothy body. Please put Timothy back. You Bonbon the Boon. I know that's weird, but yeah. Oh, Mr. Pumpkin Pie. Mr. Pumpkin Pie, who are you? How are you? Ooh, Jeff and the Killer's Night. Eloise! Eloise! Yay! Eloise! Your head is only there? Jeff! Jeff! Jeff? Yeah, Jeff, why did you just take off Eloise's head? Okay, alright, yeah. Oh, I love the chandeliers. I'm gonna get out. Flying it is! Whee! Whee! Well, ow. Okay. That was okay. That was a little bit. That was a little bit too far. Let me show you a secret. Now if we go over here, it's gonna come soon, and yeah, we're out of the whole country. And yeah. Oh my god. You might be wondering, oh my god, But yeah, this is literally what it's here. And yeah, it just glitches again, the whole thing. And if I go in there, here it is. My God! Yeah, it works. It works. My mic works. Because sometimes I'm a little quiet Lena Lou. Literally, guys, her name is Lena Lou. Why? And here's Dode 1234322Y. And it's non-isuper_15. Oh my God! I want to go in here. Here's the graveyard of Wednesday. Here's live Wanderia. Wow. Oh my God. Here's live Marinelia 2018. Okay, she left her shoe before she died. Oh my God. Oh, at least someone put some roses there. Oh, more roses over here. Oh, it's cute little hearts and a bow. Here's Eli's Maria. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to show the rest in my next video. So, bye, guys. Bye.